All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So today we're going to be doing a quick tips and tricks on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold2. And it's just one-hand mode. I think this is probably one of the most slept-on features of this device that people actually probably don't use. It's a very cool device together already. But if you're one of those people who wanted to get, I need to have it shrink down over here. I need it small for one-hand use just for a little bit. I want to keep it open for a minute. I think this is pretty dope right here, man. So using it is fairly simple. You just you can put it from side to side if you want to, whatever side you want to put it on. You drag and drop from the corner to make it as big as you want to. You could have it just about right here. You know what I'm saying? That'll be good for most people right there probably. To get into settings quickly for it though, you just press on the little settings icon right there, and you'll see under gestures it's just one hand mode. And I think this is one of those videos that you probably forgot it was there. If you did know it was there, there'll be a lot of people that jump on and say, "Oh, I know about that. You're late." Well, it's not about that. I just wanted to share with the people who don't know. There's lots of tips and tricks to do on these devices, and you can easily get to it. So if you're wondering how to get to it, it's just right there. So you go into your settings. After you go to settings, you go to the advanced features right here, and you go down and turn it on right here under one hand mode. And I think that's pretty dope. And it's just one of those things that you pay a lot of money for a device, and then sometimes you might not know um, a small feature that might be handy to you. And personally, I just think it's real dope to have like a little small screen within the screen. I think that's pretty hot, man. So want to give you a quick video, tips and tricks on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2. I did update to Android 11. I got it the other day, and it's hot, man. It's fire. It's the same. No problems right now on the phone, and we hopefully this works out. But this video, tips and tricks, 2 minutes for you. Try this out if you haven't already done so. I think it's pretty dope, man. This is pretty cool to have a small version like this inside it out. See you in the next one. Take care.